Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be going through how to create your first Thinkscript in Thinkorswim. So in order to create your first Thinkscript, you first have to get to the Edit Studies and Strategies page. And there are three ways to do that. So in your chart area, now I'm on the chart screen here. If you click on charts above, so you have monitor, trade, all that stuff. If you go to charts and you right click on the chart area, you go down to studies and you hit Edit Studies. And this is going to bring you to the Edit Studies and Strategies dialog box. Now, there are two other ways to get there. The next way is you have this blue ribbon up here. If you hit Studies and then go to Edit Studies, it's the exact same screen. I'll get out of there. And if you go to the same blue ribbon and you go all the way over to the menu button on the right hand side here, Symbol Actions, go to Studies and go to Edit Studies, and you get to the same screen. Now, in order to create your Thinkscript, you can go down to here, and it says Create right under the list of the default scripts that are supplied by Thinkorswim. You go under this list and you hit Create, and this automatically creates a new study for you. They automatically label it New Study with a number after it. So if you've already done it, you'll probably see 1 or 2 or whatever next to there. But we can rename this so that it's a little easier to find. I'm going to name it A New Study so it appears near the top of the list. And then what this does is it plots the closing price of whatever you're looking at. So I'm going to hit OK. And as you can see, it automatically applies it to the price graph in the added studies and strategies list here. If you click apply, you can see that there's this cyan line here, and what this is telling you is all the close prices for every single candle. So not a very good study, but it is the default study that Thinkorswim gives you. Now you can see that it shows up in the price graph here, but also in the list off to the side here on the left. You can see that it applies here, and you can tell when it's a custom script, when it's a script that you made, when it doesn't have a little lock on it. So if it has a lock on it, that means that it's locked down, which means you can't edit it. And usually this is the case for the studies that Thinkorswim provides you. But for the ones that you create, these are totally custom, and you can get to them just fine. You can edit them just fine. Now, in order to edit your new study, what you can do this two ways. You can right click on it in the list here and click on Edit, and that's going to pop up the Thinkscript Editor. But you can also get to there in the main list here. You can right click and then you can go to Edit Sources, and this will give you the same screen. So the next thing we could do is create something that's actually useful. So just to start off with, what I'm going to do is plot the SMA, a simple moving average. And in order to do this, you see that we had to use this data variable here. So if we just say plot close, it actually highlights it red. And down at the bottom, it gives you a little hint about what errors might exist in your code. So here it says value never assigned to close at 1.6. Well, what is 1.6? It's line 1, character 6. So this is line 1 here. As you can see, if I press enter, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is line 1, character 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is it begins wherever this is highlighted red. So we don't want that. The way that the plot function works, or the plot keyword works, is you need to have some variable that captures whatever is on the other side of the equal sign. So you're assigning D the value of close, and then you're saying to plot it. So how we're going to do this with the SMA is we're just going to say we're going to plot SMA. This is going to be the variable that holds the simple moving average. And then we're very simply going to do this. We're going to say average. Average is a keyword in Thinkorswim, and you can see that it comes up here as a study actually, so we can use it. So average, and then what we're going to do is just do close. We want the average of the closing prices, and we want that to be a 20 period average. And this is going to just give you a simple moving average at 20 bar interval. So we're going to apply that, hit OK, and as you can see, we have a very smooth line. This is in fact your 20 bar simple moving average. And then to apply it from here, you can do that. The star goes away, which means it saved the study. And you can hit OK. And now your new study is applied to your chart. And that's how you create a Thinkscript in Thinkorswim.